Whew. So, remember last time I was here, I asked you, where did that go?
Yeah.
So I came here yesterday, and I went to park over there for free. Yeah, that's not happening.
Only if you have a handicap thing.
Ah.
You got a handicap thing to hang on your mirror?
No.
Yeah, well, if you have that, you can park for free anyway.
Oh, okay. So I on the way back, I seen senior citizens riding, walking, running across the bridge.
Yeah.
So I'm like, okay, inspiration, motivation. So I rode across out like, oh man, what was that?
Was it? Yeah.
Yeah, it's fun going up because you get your heart and the lungs, goddamn, you know.
Yep.
You're coming down, you got to apply brakes.
Yeah, you're picking up speed.
Yeah, because you know, and I wouldn't, but I know people are coming around that corner.
Right.
And you really don't want to, you know.
No, you don't want to.
I know, right? Oh man. So how you been?
I've been good.
Yeah. This is a daily thing here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not necessarily this spot, but I'm always down here in the afternoon.
Yeah.
In the mornings I go over to the beach.
Yeah. I've been there, whew, when did I don't know even know how long I've been here. But I rode up and down. I was getting ready to take that other bridge. They said it goes to Sand Key.
Oh, that's a big one. Yeah.
So I asked this lady. She said, yeah. She said her husband goes across it. She said she'll walk it, but she said it's like really narrow for the bike riders. So yeah. I was like, I'll put that on my adventure for another day.
Yeah, save it when you feel ambitious.
Yeah. Because the thing is, unless I pay over there, that means I'm gonna have to ride from here to there, then to that bridge and over it. And I'm like, yeah, like you say, wait until I'm a little bit more ambitious.
Yeah.
I also found out a lot of these guys have the electric bikes.
I know, I see them all the time. Wow, we didn't have that when we were kids.
I know, right? We'll be everywhere. Well, we're everywhere without the bike. I remember this lady called my mom. She said, I seen your son with your 7-year-old daughter on the handlebars two towns over. Oh, my mom whooped my butt.